Hi everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we are going to do one more question related to linked list, and my question is palindrome linked list. So I hope you all know the meaning of palindrome. So if any one of you don't know the meaning of palindrome, don't worry, I'll tell you. See, for example, I have given one string Nitin. So I have to check, is this number palindrome or not? Okay, is this string palindrome or not? So what I will do, I will just reverse this number, right, and check, am I getting the same output which I have inputted? So see, just reverse this number. I will get n, I will get I, then I will get t, then I will get I again, and at the end I will get n. Now check, am I getting the same output which I have inputted? My output and input are equal after reversing. That means this string is palindrome. Similar in case of array, what we were doing before checking my linked list is palindrome or not, let me remind you how we were finding that the elements present in my array are palindrome or not. For example, this is my array, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So to check my arrays present elements present at array are palindrome or not, I was taking 2 pointers. I was placing one pointer at my 0th index and second pointer at last index. After that, this is my array A. I was checking if element present at ith index is equals to element present at jth index. I was incrementing I by 1 and decrementing j by -1, right? So just try run it. Initially i's value is 0, j's value is 4. So value present at 0th index and 4th index are equal. Yes, they are equal. Then increment the value of I by 1 and decrement the value of j by -1. Okay, again check. Now i's value is 1. Value present at ith index and j value is 3 now. Third index are equal. I is equals to I. Yes, again increment the value of I by 1 and decrement the value of j by -1. Okay, again check. Value present at ith index and jth index are equal. Yes, they are equal. That means the array is palindrome. So we will try to solve our check that our linked list is palindrome or not with this method. Okay, so let's try that. See one thing. First of all, keep one thing in your mind. If my given linked list is moving in one direction, so it is not possible that the pointer can move in opposite direction. Okay, so this is not possible. We will try to make it possible, but how? This is the question. I am trying to use the same method to check palindrome in linked list which I have tried in arrays. Now you can see my pointer can iterate only in one direction. It is not iterating in opposite direction. So how can I iterate my j? This is not possible. For that I have to do something. But let's assume we can iterate. I want you to clear one thing from here. For that I am just assuming I here, j here. Okay, so keep one constraint in your mind which has given in question. The range of n's value is from 0 to 10 power 6. Okay, so we have to check, will we get right answer or not? See, again we have to check. This is our linked list. L is my linked list. Let's assume that I will do the same thing which I was doing in arrays. Initially I is at first index and j is at last index. So value present at ith index and jth index are equal. 1 is equals to 1. Yes, it is. Let's decrement the j by 1 and increment the I by plus 1. Now again check. Value present at 2th index and value present at jth index are equal. Yes, they are equal. So for that my n will move till n. Okay, then increase the value of I by 1 and decrease the value of j by -1. Again my n will come till here. Now I will check. Value present at ith index is equals to value present at jth index. Yes, they are equal. Then again my n will come till here. Increment n by 1. sorry, I by 1 and decrease j by -1, right? So again, my n will come till here. Now they both are also equal. That means my given linked list is palindrome. But you may have observed one thing. For n by 2 elements of linked list till here, I am working n times. Okay, what I'm saying, for n by 2 elements of linked list, I am working till n every time. So this will become this, but the constraint is n's value go till 10 power 6. Now put the value of n here, 10 power 6 by 2, 10 power 6, it will become 10 power 12 by 2. So you can see this value is out of n's range. So this is not an optimized way to find that my linked list is palindrome or not. So we have to find some another method. So what is that another method? Let's try to understand. First of all, use your mind. If you have any idea, do let me know. Okay, so let me tell you now. Before doing this question, we have done two questions: how to find middle of linked list and how to reverse given linked list, right? So we will use that. So I'm going to use these methods. If any one of you haven't watched these videos, I will recommend go and watch these videos first. Okay, then you will be easily understand what I will be going to do. Okay, so first of all, I will find mid. Then I will, after finding mid, I will reverse my remaining linked list. Right? See, middle will come here, and after finding middle of our linked list, we will simply reverse the remaining linked list. So we are going to do this. So why we want to reverse our linked list? Because I want to move my pointers in this direction so that my j will start iterate. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. And after doing this, I will check my element present at ith index and jth index are equal. I will check basically, are they palindrome or not. Okay, so let's try to do this now. What I will do, till mid, after finding mid, my pointer will move like this, and after mid, I want to reverse my pointer's direction so that I can iterate my j as I have explained you, right? So how mid function works? It contains two pointers, small and fast. If there is a difference of two nodes between these two pointers, if small is at first node, fast will come to fast will move uh, fast will move here, so it comes here, right? Now if small is here, fast will iterate two times. Again, if small is here, fast will iterate till 2 points. If small is here, fast will iterate 2 points. Now fast cannot move further because my linked list has finished here. So small is giving my mid. So this way I can find my mid. Okay. And in reverse function, I will simply reverse my pointers. I'm assuming you already know how to find reverse because you have seen these videos, right? If anyone of you haven't watched them, please go and watch that first. Okay, see now what I will do. Initially my head is this, and I want to break connection after finding mid because I want to reverse my remaining string. So what I will do, I will take another head here and head, new head, right? But I want to break this connection, so I will store my mid of next in my n head, so that after doing all this operation I will be able to join my linked list, right? So in n head I will store my address of next node, so this I will do there. Okay, after doing all these operations, after finding mid and after reversing, what I will get, my sorry, my arrows will come like this, right? 1 2 3 10 10, and from here my pointers will iterate like this, right? So after finding mid and reversing, I will get this linked list, and now I will check. Now I am able to use two pointers I and j. I will check element present at 0th node, ith node and jth node are equal. Yes, they are equal. Simply increase the value of I by 1 and decrease the value of j by -1. Again, I will check value present at ith node, new ith node and new jth node. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Increase the value of I and decrease the value of j by -1. Again, we will check value present at ith node and jth node are equal. Yes, they are equal. Then update I and update j. So this way, we will check our value present at ith node and jth node are equal. Yes, they are equal. That means my given linked list is palindrome. After that, they will cross each other. So there is no need to do that because that will give the same answer. Okay. So I will write this function inside my while loop and check if they are equal. Then if value present at ith index and jth index if equal, then simply increase the value of I by 1 and decrease the value of j by -1. So let's try to code it now. As you already know, one more thing. Before reversing, my n head is here. After reversing, my n head will come here. Okay, so head is still here. I will store my head in one variable and n head in another variable, that is I or j or anything that you want to take the name of your pointers, right? So I hope you know this, you have got this. Let's try to code it now. So for that, first of all, I have to copy my mid function. I'm going to copy my mid and reverse function from my previous codes, right? See, I'm going to copy my mid function from here. And if any one of you don't know, I'm again telling you, please watch these videos. Wait. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. I'm copying it because you already know this, right? Now I need to copy reverse function also. I'm just copying it here. Okay. Now here I have to write my code. Okay. Initially it is returning false. So let's try to code it here. First of all, I have to check if my head is null. That means my linked list is empty. Or if next of head is null. What does that mean? I will use or like this here. If linked list contains only one element or one node, just return head. Okay. After that, I have to create list node is equals to. So what I am going to do here, I am going to create one variable of mid name where I can call my mid function, and after calling my mid function, I can easily able to find my mid. And then at mid dot next, I will store null. Okay. But before doing that, I have to create one more variable of new head name. Now what I'm going to store here, mids next I'm going to store here. Okay, so I hope you have cleared till now. Now see here, I'm going to create two more variables of name c1, and I'm going to store my head there. After that, list node star c2, and I'm going to store my n head in c2, right? Now I will take one while loop, and this loop will run till my c2 is not is equals to null. Okay, I can also take C1 and C1 not is equals to a null and C2 not is equals to null, but that makes no sense because I know till my C2 is not is equals to null, then till then my code will run. Okay, now I will check if value present at C1, I will check if value present at C1 not is equals to value present at C2, right? Value present at C2, then return false. That means my list is my linked list is not palindrome. Otherwise, move to the next node. Now C2 is equals to C2, next of C2. Okay, and simply return true. Just run this code. So compilation error is coming. Yes, we have done one mistake here. It will be null like this. Again, it is giving an error. What is the error? Okay, so next of mid, like that. Again, it is giving an error. Again, I have done one mistake here. Okay, so let me check the code first. Okay, so let's run it. Wrong answer is coming. Why wrong answer is coming? Return false, return true. Okay, now what I will do after doing this, I will just reverse my remaining list. Okay, and n head is initially here, so I am in n head. After reversing, my n head will come here and my pointers will get reversed. Okay, so which I have done here, but n head is basically reversing my linked list. Okay, after that I'm creating two more variables and storing my head or n head and just checking if my list c2 is not till my c2 is not is equals to null. Check value present at this c1 is here, c2 is here. Value present at c1 and c2 are equal. If they are equal, increment c1 by 1 and decrease c2 by 1. Okay, again, if at some point they come, the value present at C1 and the value present at C2 are not equal, return false. Otherwise, if they are equal, move our pointers by 1 and 1 and just return true. Okay, so this is the way I will find my output. See here, C will come here, C2 will come here, and that point my function will return true and I will get true as my output. So I hope you have understood till now. Thank you so much.